What are e-commerce SEO tools? Several e-commerce SEO tools can help you improve your online store's visibility and ranking. Some of the most popular e-commerce SEO tools include: Number 1. Google Search Console. Google Search Console is a free tool from Google that helps you to monitor and optimize your website's performance in search engine results pages (SERPs). Number 2. Bing Webmaster Tools. Bing Webmaster Tools is a free tool from Microsoft that helps you to monitor and optimize your website's performance in search engine results pages (SERPs). Number 3. Yoast SEO. Yoast SEO is a popular WordPress plugin that helps you to optimize your website for search engine results pages (SERPs). Number 4. KW Finder. KW Finder is a popular keyword research tool that helps you to find relevant keywords for your e-commerce website. Number 5. Screaming Frog. Screaming Frog SEO Spider is a popular website auditor that helps you to find and fix technical issues on your e-commerce website. Number 6. SEMrush. These are just a few of the e-commerce SEO tools available. There are many more out there, and new ones are constantly being developed. If you're serious about e-commerce SEO, it's worth investing in some e-commerce SEO tools. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We release new videos daily, related to online business challenges and solutions. So make sure to stay tuned. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Furthermore, visit our website www.profitiya.com for more information on how to overcome these challenges. We would love to answer any of your questions. Thanks for watching.